In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sum in Notion. If you track numbers in Notion, like expenses, sales, hours, or totals, being able to add them up automatically can save you time and prevent mistakes. I'll walk you through exactly how to display a running total for any number column in a Notion database, and I'll share a few tips so your result looks just the way you want. First, open the page that contains the database you want to work with. This could be a table, a board, a list, or any database view where one of the columns holds numeric values. Make sure you're looking at the view where you want the total to appear. Next, click the header of the column that contains your numbers. This is the property where you store values like amount, price, quantity, or any other numeric field. Clicking the column header opens the property menu. If your values aren't recognized as numbers, you can quickly confirm the property type here so the calculation will work correctly. Now, in that property menu, hover over the option labeled Calculate. This is where Notion lets you summarize the data in the column. You'll see a set of common calculations, things like count, average, and others. Hovering reveals more choices without immediately applying anything, so you can see what's available. From there, hover on more options. Notion tucks additional calculations in this section to keep the main list tidy. This is useful if you don't see the option you want right away. Expanding the list ensures you can access the full range of summaries for numeric data. Finally, click on Sum. The moment you select Sum, Notion will display the total for that column at the bottom of your database view. The total updates automatically whenever you add, edit, filter, or remove rows. If your view is grouped or filtered, the sum reflects only the items shown in that view, which is great when you want totals by category, time period, or status without changing your underlying data. A few quick tips to make your total more readable. You can adjust the number format for the property, like currency symbols, decimal places, or percentages, so the sum matches the format of your entries. If you're working with multiple views, remember that each view can have its own calculation, so you can show a sum in one view and a different summary in another. And if you ever want to switch to a different calculation, just return to Calculate and pick a new option. That's it. You now know how to calculate a sum in Notion quickly and confidently.